Hello friends, my topic is resistor and its color codes. Let's start with resistor. A resistor is a device that opposes the flow of electrical current. The bigger the value of a resistor, the more it opposes the current flow. Resistance or value of resistor is measured in ohms and this is its symbol. So resistor is a device that opposes the flow of electrical current. It resists the current. Now we have a short trick to learn the color codes. Here it is. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. Here is the chart of all these colors of a 4-band resistor. First band, second band, third band is referred to multiplier and third band referred to tolerance. And the trick is here, B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. For black, the value is 0. For brown, it's 1. Red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Similarly for second band, the values are again same. And for multiplier, it goes to its power, that is 10 raised to power 0, it is equals to 1, 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3, 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power 5, 10 raised to power 6, 10 raised to power 7, 10 raised to power 8, 10 raised to power 9 ohms. And fourth band is of golden, that is plus minus 5%, and silver, that is plus minus 10%. Now we have some examples to clarify this. First example is, we have a resistor of 4 bands, red, brown and golden color. For red, the value is 2. Second band is also of red color and again the value is 2. And for brown color, the value is 10 raised to power 1, that is 10. And for golden, it is plus minus 5%. So our complete resistance become 22 into 10 ohms plus minus 5%, which is equals to 220 ohms plus minus 5%. Hope you understand this. And our second example is brown, black, orange and golden. For brown, again it is first band, the value is 1. For black, the value is 0. Orange, for multiplier, it is 10 raised to power 3. And for golden, again it is plus minus 5%. So overall, the value becomes 10 into 10 raised to power 3 plus minus 5%, which is equals to 10 raised to power 4 ohm plus minus 5%, or we can say it is 10k ohm. Now we have our third example, in which the color are yellow, violet, brown and silver. For yellow, first band, the value is 4. For violet, the value is 7, and for brown, the value is 10 raised to power 1, that is 10, and for silver it is plus minus 10%. So the overall it becomes 47 into 10 ohms plus minus 10%, which is equals to 470 ohms plus minus 10%. Now our next example is having 4 bands of brown, the value is 1. For red, the value is 2, and for green, the value is 10 raised to power 5, and for silver, it is plus minus 10%. So it overall become 12 into 10 raised to power 5 ohms plus minus 10%. Hope you understand all these examples. Now I have some resistors. It is of 10K. These are easily available in market. They are of different bands. Hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.